This classically styled custom home is the perfect retreat for your family to gather and grow. Located in the incredibly popular estates at Holly Springs, this large and elegant home is a true find. The surrounding neighborhood is well known for generous lots and keen attention to scenic beauty. This sweeping 1-acre lot is meticulously landscaped and equipped with a 10-zone sprinkler system. The deep front porch is perfect for enjoying early summer breezes or relaxing with neighbors. It's finished with brick flooring and wrought iron railings that match the backyard fencing. Inside, you will be captivated by the extensively detailed millwork throughout the home. Also, hardwood floors throughout the entire main level have been conditioned with 4 levels of finishing for extra shine and durability. This first formal room is perfect for either a sitting room or a private study. It features a tray ceiling and extra tall windows. Across the foyer, the formal dining room displays more of the custom millwork in picture frame molding and matching architectural columns. All floors feature 10-foot ceilings. The back of the house is dominated by the large chef's kitchen, sunny breakfast nook, and fireside family room. The family room features a breathtaking mural, hand-painted by a local artist. The fireplace provides the perfect perch for your favorite technology, and so does the pre-wiring in the home, which includes Cat5, HD cable or satellite, and wireless internet. On the way to the kitchen, we have a convenient built-in workspace, perfect for the family computer. The kitchen itself boasts beautiful stained wood cabinetry, a powered island, a walk-in pantry, and a Gen-Air gas grill top. Of course, the look is complete with granite countertops and a beautiful tile backsplash. Also on this level, we find a 3-car garage and an amazing wraparound deck. The deck overlooks a sweeping backyard with plenty of room for entertainment and play. Upstairs, we find the master and 3 additional bedrooms. The spacious master suite is as cozy as it is luxurious, with exquisitely detailed millwork and room for a private sitting area. There is even a private screened-in porch that can only be accessed by this room. The master bath is fully tiled and features beautiful his and hers vanities with a cleverly placed jacuzzi tub. There are also double walk-in closets for plenty of storage. 3 additional bedrooms are roomy and beautiful, with additional millwork and custom window treatments with solar shades. But the best feature, or at least the most fun, is the fully finished terrace level. Here is where your family will gather to play and relax. The media room is wired with 5.1 surround sound. The bonus room has space enough for the game table of your choice and a wet bar for refreshments. Around the corner, we find extra storage, a bathroom, and a private guest room. Not pictured is a private office with lovely French doors. Downstairs, access to the backyard offers convenient access to outdoor fun as well. The neighborhood itself offers ample amenities, including a lovely clubhouse, swimming, tennis, and park space. Don't miss your chance to view this phenomenal home.